Dakstats sports software is the ultimate tool for managing game, season, and career statistics. From high schools to the major leagues, users of any skill level can quickly track game stats and compile detailed reports with Dakstats. In addition to recording and printing stats, the unrivaled display capabilities of Dakstats make it easy to show live stats on LED displays for fans in the stands. Among the control room operators, the Dakstats operator is responsible for entering the play-by-play information such as rushes, passes, tackles, touchdowns, penalties, interceptions, fumbles, punts, and field goals. During the game, the operator enters each play that occurs on the field, and that information can be shown in real time on LED displays and printed off in reports at any point during the game. These reports can then be distributed to team officials and the media. Dakstats football can be used at any level of competition, including games, tournaments, and season statistics for club, high school, college, or professional teams. The software is available with three main entry modes. Box allows the user to enter stats after the game by game totals. Box score quarter by quarter allows the user to enter stats for each quarter after the game is completed. Play-by-play allows the user to enter each play as it happens for both teams. The Dakstats football application can be downloaded from the internet at Dakstats.com. To download, open an internet browser and navigate to www.dakstats.com/download.html. Find the football section on the web page. Click on the Click Here link under the download column. In the window that appears, click Run. If an additional window opens, click Run once more. Follow the on-screen instructions. Click Finish when the download is complete. After installing the Dakstats football software, users are given a free 30-day trial period. Each time the program is opened, the main application screen will display how many days are remaining for the free trial. When the 30-day free trial period is over, a registration screen will appear. Users must register in order to continue using the Dakstats football software. Users can register online or manually. Users trying to register the software on a Windows Vista or Windows 7 machine will need to open Dakstats a bit differently to register. Right-click on the Dakstats football icon on the desktop and choose Run as Administrator. Continue with either the online registration or manual registration process that will be discussed next. Once the software has been registered, close the software and open it again, this time by double-clicking the Dakstats football icon on the desktop. The user only needs to run the software as an administrator to initially register. To register online, contact Dakstats at Daktronics.com for an online registration account. Once the account information has been received from Daktronics, open the Dakstats football application and go to Help and Register. On a side note, if the 30-day free trial period is expired, the registration box will automatically appear on the screen when Dakstats football is opened. In the Register window, enter the customer ID as provided in the registration email. Enter the password associated with the Dakstats customer ID. Click Register Online. If the registration is successful, the status of the features will change from locked to unlocked. It is important to note that the user must honor capitalization when entering both the customer ID and password. To register manually, send an email to Dakstats at Daktronics.com containing the serial number, which can be found at the top of the registration screen. Daktronics will send a registration code back. Once the registration code is received, open Dakstats football and go to Help and Register. In the Register window, type in or paste the registration code in the Enter Registration Code text box in the manual registration section. Click Register. If the registration is successful, the status of the features will change from locked to unlocked.